You are an historian?
Yes.
Ito, Miss Kuya.
Are you ready for the interview? Introduce yourself and about your community.
I am Valencia Chan, Syrian, came from the Community Alcohol. I have three sisters and three brothers, and I am the fourth in our family. My mother's name is Rita Chan, and my father's name is Lariana Syrian. I am studying in Letters College, and I am taking up Bachelor of Education.
When do you prefer to choose this company?
I prefer to choose this company beside me to have a work so that I can sustain my needs in our school. As I know that your company is so popular and nice. That's why I really want to be with your company.
Well, actually, you can present us if you were given a chance to be a part of our company.
Well, I can assure you that I can socialize other people and I know how to handle the situation.
Do you have any experiences that come of it job you want to apply?
Actually, sir, this is my first time to applying a job. But I can say that in applying this job, it is big for my core in this age, which is as a teacher, because as a teacher, we socialize other people and we must know how to handle the situation.
What is your expected salary range?
I am just looking forward for a job, sir, and it's up to you that how much salary you want to pay. But I know the salary you will pay to me is in accordance with your job.
Okay, that will be all, and thank you for coming, Victoria.